the 30-day momentum plan. You have to do this daily. If you want to grow in affiliate marketing fast and steady, you don't need luck. What you need is momentum. And today I show you the exact 30-day plan that will make your progress feel automatic. I'm Coach Ade here, welcoming you back. Section number 1. The reason most people never see results. Most beginners fail for one reason. They don't have a daily system. They work today, disappear for 5 days, come back next week, then wonder why they don't grow. Momentum dies the moment strategy breaks. So we fix that one with a simple daily formula. That takes us to section 2, the 30-30-1 rule. This is the foundation of your first 30 days. That is 30 minutes of learning. Under this, you have to learn one small thing, not 10. Examples, you can learn how to create a thumbnail, or you learn how to choose a product. Better still, you can learn how to write a hook. Then another 30 minutes of creating. Create a small piece of content, even if it's simple. Something like a short, something like a tweet, a script idea, a thumbnail script, a thumbnail concept. Then, one action posted. You have to post something, just anything. Posting daily builds confidence, skill, and visibility. This rule alone creates unstoppable momentum. Then section number 3. Micro wins build big results. Just like every other person's brain, your brain loves progress. So instead of chasing big victories, celebrate micro wins like posting for the day, editing your thumbnail, researching a product, or writing your script. This tiny win compound into authority. Section number 4. Your 30-day momentum roadmap. Yes, what your month should look like. With number 1, skill foundation. Ensure you learn the basics. Then make simple content. With number 2, confidence building. Post consistently. Then improve your weak points. Then improve your visuals and delivery. With number 3, on optimization. Learn analytics. Fix your weak points. Then your week number 4 should be on acceleration. Your confidence increases. Your content quality naturally becomes better. If you commit to this system for 30 days, you will achieve what some people can't do in 6 months. Momentum is your superpower. Subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to show you why most beginners don't make money, and you have to avoid this. Click the link now for more updates. See you in the next video.